Hi, welcome to Marvel Street. I'm Mike and today I'm going to show you how to make coffee in an Aeropress. Spoiler alert, it is really easy. So you're going to need an Aeropress, some boiling water, some coffee, some scales, but they're not necessary, and a timer. There's three things you take away from this video to improve the taste and consistency of your coffee. I'd recommend always using clean, filtered water, grinding your coffee fresh, and always following a recipe. Start by boiling your water, and while you're doing that, just rinse out the paper filter in here. Weigh out 17 grams of coffee, and if you don't have scales, that's fine. Just use the scoop included with the Aeropress. That's roughly 17 grams. Once the water's boiled, grab the Aeropress, set it up upside down on the scales, put your coffee in, zero off the scales, and pour in 250 ml of water, making sure to wet all the coffee. Start the timer and let it brew for 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip over the Aeropress, put it on your mug, and press it down. If this takes too long and the coffee tastes really bitter, you just need to coarsen your grind setting. And if the coffee tastes weak and a little bit sour and it presses too fast, you just need to fine up your grind setting. And there you have it, really easy coffee. Fun fact about the Aeropress, the inventor, Alan Adler, also invented this really cool flying disc. For everything you see in the video today, minus the flying disc, head to marvelstreet.com.